Now let's see how we can be able to bring all of this contact that is currently in this particular file inside HubSpot. So what we are going to do is we are going to download this as a CSV file, and this is important because you have to make sure that you are using the Excel sheet or the CSV file to bring this inside of HubSpot. So we are going to click on download here, and we are going to use CSV, and as you can see, that has been downloaded. To import the file, we just need to go back into contact, and when we go back into contact, we can see the option here where it says add contact, and we can click on the drop down here, and we can see the import contact. So like I said, you can import contacts from various platforms if you want, but since we are uploading from a file, we are going to click on upload a file, and we are going to click on this, and we can click on continue, and it's going to ask us to select the file we want to bring in inside of Mailchimp, and we can then drop this file into here. So let's drop this file, and as you can see, the file has been added into Mailchimp. Then you click on continue, and when you click on continue, that is going to take you to the next stage, and it's going to ask me for the current audience I want to drop this contact into. As you can see, it is this is the audience I have. I can create a new one if I want. I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute, and you can pick the particular audience you want to use, and you can click on update any existing contact, so that if you have any contact in that file that is already existing in Mailchimp is just going to help you update that particular contact, and there will be no need for Mailchimp to create duplicate contacts inside of Mailchimp. So when you are done, you click on continue, and when you click on continue, it is going to ask you to search for a tag that you currently have, or it's going to ask you to create a new one if you want. So you can select from the popular tags that is in here, or you can just type in whatever it is you want, and you can add in a new tag. So we want to add in a new tag where we're going to name this new lead, and we're going to add in new lead, and this tag is going to be added for every of the contacts we are importing in. So when we click on continue, it is going to take us to the page where we can be able to match each column of the file with the ones in Mailchimp. So as you can see, this is the column name, all of the column name in here, and this is the Mailchimp fields in here. So we are bringing in the first name, the last name, the email has been matched, the phone number has been matched, job title has been matched, company name has been matched, address also has been matched. So let's say this is address. Okay. Yeah, so it's not matching. Okay. So we're going to match the city with the address, which is city, and we are sorry, no, this should be address city, and this should be address country. So you select that. Then for the life cycle stage, that has been mapped, lead status, and all of this has been mapped. As you can see, Mailchimp automatically mapped everything since we've been able to create the custom field inside of Mailchimp already before we imported the file. So when we are done, we are sure that everything has been mapped correctly, we then, oh, I'm missing this. So make sure that all of them have been selected and each one has been mapped to the correct Mailchimp field name, because if you do not map it correctly, you are going to face a lot of issues, and we do not want that. So you are going to click on continue, and when you click on continue, it is going to ask you to select the marketing status, the email marketing status for this particular contact. So you can click on subscribed, and that means that they are consented to receive emails from you, and you can click on unsubscribe if you do not want to send emails to this particular set of people, and you can click on non-subscribe, that means they never opted to receive emails from us, or you can click on cleaned, and when you are done, you click on finalize import, and when you click on finalize import, it is going to ask you, it is going to preview all of the things you've picked. So we are importing from a file upload, and the marketing status is subscribed, and the updates to update existing contacts is yes, and we are tagging all of this new lead. So you click on complete import, and HubSpot, sorry, when you click on complete import, all of the new leads are going to be added into your Mailchimp account. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now, if you are watching this and you are thinking this is helpful, but I honestly would like someone to help me set this up properly. That is exactly what we do at CRM Instructors. At CRM Instructors, we help businesses set up and optimize Mailchimp systems from the ground up. So whether you need help with audience setups, with forms, with automation, with campaigns, segmentation, landing pages, or even integration, our team can help you implement the right structure for your business. And if you're already using Mailchimp, but you feel things are currently messy in your Mailchimp account, it is messy, it is disconnected, and it is underperforming, we also offer Mailchimp audits where we review your current setup and we help you identify what needs improvement and help you optimize your system for better results. So whether you need implementation or a professional audit, you will find all of those links in the description below. And of course, if this video has helped you, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we create more practical CRM and email marketing tutorials. And also we have the goal of reaching 1000 subscribers before the middle of this year, and you can help us make that happen. So subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to also like this video and also share with everyone that you think is going to need this video. Thank you so much. Bye.